Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So for this video kita akan tengok chapter 7 Haloalkane. So for the first video we will go through 7.1 the introduction. So for the first part kita akan tengok draw the structure and classify the primary, secondary and tertiary haloalkane according to IUPAC, and then name the primary, secondary, tertiary haloalkane. And next we will describe how is haloalkane. It is also known as alkyl halide, and it is a group of chemical compound that consists of alkane, your carbon chain, and it has halogen X. Okay, so X can be any halogen, fluorine, bromine, chlorine, or iodine. And the general formula for haloalkane is CnH2n plus 1 X. Okay, this is your halogen. Or for cyclic haloalkane, it will be CnH2n minus 1 because you have less one hydrogen. And the functional group is with halogen lah. Right, so for the classification of haloalkane, kita ada 4. Untuk classification of haloalkane, kita ada methyl halide, primary, secondary and tertiary haloalkane. So macam mana nak classify them? So kita akan tengok sama macam kita classify, lebih kurang macam kita classify hydrogen. Okay, so the first one, if your X or your halogen, okay, X can be any halogen directly attached to carbon. Okay, so let's refer to this carbon. Ada tak any alkyl group attached to it? If there's no alkyl group, therefore it is methyl halide. Okay, so kalau primary pula, ingat 1. So means your halogen directly attached to carbon, and this carbon is directly attached to one alkyl group. Okay, so maksudnya 1 jiran carbon. So it is primary haloalkane. And next one, secondary, if your halogen directly attached to this carbon. So carbon ini adalah carbon secondary. Kenapa? Ada 2 jiran carbon. So it is secondary haloalkane. And sama jugalah kalau tertiary. So this is your halogen directly attached to this carbon. So kamu classify this carbon. 1, 2, 3 carbon jiran. So it is tertiary carbon. Therefore, this haloalkane is tertiary haloalkane. Okay, so now let's have a look at the naming of haloalkane according to IUPAC. So the longest chain kamu ada 6 carbon. So it will be hexane. Okay, you have 2 chloro here. It will be dichloro. And the numbering will be 2, 3 dichlorohexane. Okay, with 6 carbon. So it will be hexane. And you have 3 substituent. Okay, chlorine, bromine and fluorine as substituent. So the position is 2, 3, 4. And you need to arrange them according to alphabet. Okay, so it will be 3 bromo, 2 chloro, and 4 fluorohexane. 8 carbon. So it will be named dia octane, and chlorine as your substituent at 3rd carbon. At 4th carbon, it will be isopropyl. And remember, isopropyl kita tengok alphabet I di sini, iso. Okay, so the name will be 3 chloro, 4 isopropyl octet. Okay, the next one we have in cyclic. Okay, cyclic alkane. So the carbon have cyclopentane. Okay, and the numbering will start daripada the lowest locant and lowest alphabet yang awal, which is BR lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it will be this way. Lowest locant. Ada 5 carbon in cyclic. Alright, so the last one untuk naming. Okay, so you have here is cyclohexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon. And carbon 1 ada chloro. And you have here carbon 3 isopropyl. So the name will be 1 chloro, 2 isopropyl cyclohexane.